Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wins Tarot, and this is your most requested. What is the message from your person? What are they feeling? The love scrolls. Yes, friends, many of you requested this reading. Here it is now with love scrolls. Yes, and make sure to subscribe, Magic Wins Tarot. Friends, subscribe, like, and share. Join us on Instagram, friends, as Magic Wins Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website. Also, friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, this is a timeless reading. Whenever you watch it, it will help and resonate with your situation. And we will look at the love scrolls, what they want to tell you. This person can be anybody: your current lover, your crush, your ex, your twin flame, your ex husband, wife, or anybody you want to know about. So what are they feeling? What is their message for you? So let's see, friends. Let's begin. Also, make sure to check out the August horoscope readings and August pick a card readings. I have already done them, so make sure to check that out. Also, in Hindi Urdu, also I have done the horoscope August readings. The link is in the timestamps. So let us see what is currently your person feeling. Let's see that. What is their current energy of your person? All right. Oh my God, that that flew off. I can't pick it up right now because I have to, really switch off the camera and everything. Let's see. Let's see. Six of Pentacles. Wow. So generosity. So your person is actually missing you, and it feels like they want to, you know, make up things, make things up with you, somewhere. Yeah, your person is, look at that, Eight of Cups. It's a perfect reminder. Your person is definitely missing you. They are not over you. If you guys are not talking, this person is definitely, they miss you. They want you back. They also regret losing you. And another thing is like, if this person, I feel like you guys may be in contact, but this person was not giving you enough time, enough attention. So this person was earlier very much focused on work, on family, on money issues, but now they regret it. Now they want to give to you. Now they want to focus on you, and now they want to give you love, attention, care, everything. And they do regret it that they didn't did it in the past. I feel this could be somebody new you are with, or somebody you are in contact with, for most of you. But for others of you, if this person is not in contact, this person has moved on. Yes, they are missing you and they regret losing you, and they feel like they missed a chance with you. They really, really regret it, and they feel like it was a golden chance for them. They lost it, and they also feel like they could have behaved better with you. They could have given you more time, more attention, more love in the past. How is our viewer's person feeling? And also, he or she is feeling very emotional about you. Look at that, Ten of Swords. A lot of pressure, a lot of anxiety. This person is under heavy guilt, friends. This is a heavy energy. This person is feeling a lot of guilt. Like they have backstabbed you, they have let you down. This person is like their own worst enemy at this point. Like they might have left you, got married to somebody else, or they might have blocked you, or they themselves focused, or choose work or money rather than love. So this person is like, why I did all those things. I think your breakup, there was a very bad argument or fight between you and this person, or there was a very bad breakup between you and this person. So they are their own worst enemy for sure. And look at that, the Knight of Wands. This person could be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, or our viewers could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. It feels like your person is still feeling a lot of passion for you. They still love you. They still want you back. They still think of you very passionately. They still are very much, think about you in a sexual way. They have sexual chemistry with you. They have sexual dreams with you. I do feel this person want you back. You may have somewhere felt this person was a little lustful towards you, or this was just a lustful connection, because this person is like too much. I don't know how to say. There is this, they are very attracted towards your body, your physicality, and also they want to keep you as a pet in a way, like, I don't know how to say this, but they are like, You're mine, you just belong to me and nobody else. But that, and while you, when you said the same things, your person was like, no, my time is my time, I will use it my way. So so they are like, your time is entirely their time, but whenever it comes to them, they could do whatever they want, but you were always exclusively for them. And look at that, the king of cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Yeah, I do feel this person is having a tough time trying to control their emotions and their passions. This person is like, I don't know which way to go, follow my passion, to follow my emotion. Right now they are feeling both ways. They have a lot of passion for you as well as a lot of emotions, and they want to take charge. Earlier they were not very mature in their emotional expressions. Now they want to be mature towards you in giving love, in showing love, in expressing their love. Earlier there was just passion in this connection, but now they have understood that it was the mistake, it was wrong, just to show the passion and not to show emotions. There was emotion, but this person is like, no, I don't have time, I'll focus on my work. So they were kind of like choosing the wrong things, but now they realize their mistake, and now they have matured up, and now they are understanding that what they did was not right, and they feel very very guilty. There is a heavy guilt on this person. This is a very heavy energy. You can see there are like these swords and then these swords. This is what happened, and this is what is happening to them right now. This is the past, this is what they are doing to themselves. What else is happening? What is this person on the... Wow, the moon. This person is madly in love with you, friends. They are feeling very connected to you. This person could be dreaming about you. They are also, if this is a new relationship, they definitely, are writing poetries. Even if they are not very poetic, even if they are not very romantic, they are listening to songs and romantic songs, crying over you. Also, they feel very, very attached to you. Like, even though you guys may not be in touch or contact, but this person is like, they remember everything, they remember everything about you, they miss you, and their love for you is shining bright. You are like this moon shining very very bright to them right now. But in the past, this person was like this 10 of swords, did not know what to do. So there is guilt. That's the reason they are guilty. And look at that, the devil. Yeah, I do. It feels like, there are certain things that this person needs to get balanced. This person, you may have felt like, this person is not balanced, or they are very very focused on their work, they don't talk a lot, they don't give you enough time. There may have been for some of you some third party, so there is a little bit of, like, temptations. You you may have somewhere, you may have felt this is a very toxic connection in some way, or this is just a physical, a lustful connection rather than emotions, because this person was emotionally closed and that was their problem. Now they realized it, now they are realizing it, that they were emotionally closed and they need to work on it. And I do feel that they are coming out of this energy of the devil. They are trying to balance themselves. This person could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or you could be these sun signs. It could also be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. The angel of the ocean. Yeah, see, so definitely this person is trying to heal themselves, because they know if they heal themselves, there is a chance of strong healing and returning and reunion with you. They also find that our viewers are very very much, you are the source of inspiration for your person. That's what they feel like. You are the inspiration, you are the twin flame, the other half. You complete this person. Even if though you are in separation, this person is completely, you see this, like, there is this infinite symbol is here, but the back side is not showing. But even from the behind, the infinite symbol is connected. So it is like this connection is too deep to be true. They feel very much connected to you, even though you guys are in separation or not talking. They feel very much connected to you. They feel you are still healing, helping them, and they feel like completely connected with you on mind, body and soul level. And yes, they are trying to heal. There has been certain issues. This person has anger issues, anxiety, or some heavy guilt, heavy pain they are trying to deal, and you are the inspiration. So what they want to say to you, this person, what they want to say to you? The Chariot, yes, I do feel this person wants to make a move towards you. That's what they are trying to tell you, that they will be making a move towards you soon, and they want to take charge of their emotions, take charge of their passions, and talk with you, express their love with you. And Ace of Swords, yes, they want a victory. They definitely want a victory between you and themselves. If there is a third party, they want to leave that behind and come towards you. I do feel this could be a long distance connection where there is no contact right now. There is difference in religion, culture, and also long distance. So they want to leave everything behind, different cultures, religions, long distance, everything that separates you and them. They want to, leave it and have a breakthrough with you, a fresh start with you, a victory with you. Nine of Cups, you are their happiness. I think if this is a new person, they definitely will be taking you out on a date very, very soon, a very happy date, or they will be doing something special for you which will cheer you up and make you feel very excited. And I also feel this person may contact you through online, like through social media. They might message you, and they might plan to meet you after contacting you, like, hey, let's meet. Justice, yes, they know they have done you wrong, friends. So an apology is definitely coming your way. They know they have hurted you, they know they have done you wrong, they realize their mistake. They didn't realize it in the past, but now they realize it and regret it very badly. And look at that, the Wheel of Fortune. They are waiting for the right time. They are waiting for the right time to come towards you and be with you, and also to set things right. They know with time everything heals. The Three of Pentacles, yes, they want to work with you. Firstly, they wanted to give to you. Now they want to work things out with you, cooperate with you, understand you, give you love, affection, and be there for you. Earlier they were not there for you. The Knight of Swords, yes, they want to be the person, whom you can trust. They want to be the warrior for you. They want to be your king. They want to be your queen. And I also feel this person will be messaging you very, very soon. It feels like in the next 1 hour or 1 day or 1 week, this person might message you, friends. I do feel they are, they are just can't. I feel like they're aching. They are like, I want to message. Why am I controlling myself? So they want to message you, friends. So in 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, this person will message you or will meet you. What is their message for our viewers? Five of Pentacles, yeah, they are very sorry for rejecting you. They know they have done you. Can you forgive them? That's their message, can you forgive me for my bad behavior in the past? And the Magician, I'm trying to win you back. Will food help? Will good food help? That's their question. I feel they want to take you out for a dinner or plan you a special date. So they are like, I'm trying to win you back and I don't know how. Can you help? So the High Priestess, yes, they feel very much connected with you. They know that this is a special connection. You guys are twin flames, or you guys can understand each other without speaking a lot. You are still connected with them, even though you are in long distance or no contact, or even if this relationship is over, they still feel very much connected with you. The Hermit, yes, this love is pure to them, and this love is like, then this love is very, very special to them. You are very special to them, and they are like, I'm keeping you safe in my heart. I'm not gonna share you with anybody. I'm like the Hermit. I know you. They also apologize for being so mysterious. I think this person has been acting like in weird ways with you. Like, you are like, what is happening with you? Why are you not talking? They give you this confusing vibes. They vibes, confusing vibes, like they don't share their emotions, and they realize that it is their mistake. Love isn't love until it's shared, and it's shared and spoken with, so they realize that mistake. So let's see what they want to say to our viewers. Receiving, yeah, this person is getting a lot of messages about you, from the universe. They feel very connected with you. I think your name or your names keep seeing your name, our viewers name also. They are more open to love and emotions now. Their heart is opening, and you are the reason for that. They keep hearing the music that you used to like, so everywhere they go, they keep hearing you. And also, they want to give you something, like, a heart to heart kiss, or, a smooch or something. They really like you, friends, and they are more open to love than they were in the past. So this is a this is like an emotionally awakening time for them. Oh my god, the cards are really falling. So let me just shuffle. They are a little not properly, So what does this person want to say to our viewers? The word wants to be written. Yeah, I do feel they are writing a message towards you, friends. Yes. And not just a message. I feel they constantly write about you. They are transforming, they are changing, and they are working on their spiritual growth. Also, number 27 is important. Number 27, 29 is important. What else? Restore and replenish. Yeah, they are taking some time to figure themselves out, and then they will come back with pure energy and power with towards you. Collaborative dreaming, look at that. I think you guys dream together, or they dream that you guys are together, like, sexual dreams, lucid dreaming, very intense sexual dreams. I feel this is a very strong twin flame connection for some of you, and it is so intense that this person and does not know where they end and you start. So it's like you guys are merged. Focus on the light, number 37, that might also be important. So this person is trying to focus on the good things. They are also trying to balance themselves and let go of the negative things they have been doing. There have been certain things which were out of balance, like their emotions. They are not very emotional. Softly, the tender touch. Number 20 feels important for you. Yes, I do feel this person is missing your touch, missing you very, very badly, friends. They definitely crave your body sexually also, and they miss your physical, union, and just sitting in front of you, seeing your face. They really do miss it. Patience, yeah, they are working on things, and at perfect timing, they will return back. Angel of love, they are definitely sending the angels of love for you, and angels are working to manifest more love in this union. The thinking woman. Yeah, I do feel that some of you are like, this person is hanging out with other women, or other men, whatever, but other people, but I think no, this is more like they are resting and rejuvenating. They are taking time to balance themselves and grow spiritually. Let's see what else will happen in this connection in the future. What else will happen in this connection in the future? Okay. Cards are jumping. See, I told you there is a message coming for you. 15th is an important date for you, friends. 15th of August could be important. 15th of April, or any month of 15th is important. I also feel number 4, number 12 is also important. 4th of April, 12th of December, or 12th of April, or 4th of December is also important. So message, they are definitely going to message you very, very soon. Some message related to your person is going to come to you. Time to go. Yes, I do feel that this person is getting ready to make a move towards you and call you, and also to meet you physically, because that's what they are craving for, your physical. They want to see you, they want to touch you. TikTok, they know time is running out. They have to be with you. They have to do something fast. They know it's time, happy. Yeah, they will do something that will make you very happy. So they are definitely planning something, and I think so TikTok is also like something very soon. Something will happen very soon between you and this person. So let us see what else. Anything else our viewers need to keep in mind regarding this connection? What our viewers need to keep in mind regarding this connection? Shadow. Yeah, you also have certain fears about this connection and this person. They are also coming to light. Maybe you feel they are cheating on you, they are not interested in you. I think you also have to listen and work on your shadow side, or your fears, as they say. What are you fearing in this connection? What are your fears? You have to work on that. 1111, look at that. The ultimate twin flame card. So definitely you guys are twin flame, and you guys both, you will also have to stay balanced, friends, to make this connection work. And you also have to balance your fears and your emotions. Keep working on that. If you're already doing that, well done. And look at that. Crown chakra, you have a very, very strong telepathic connection. This person talks to you through telepathy, through signs, through dreams, through messages. Please listen to it. If you are already hearing it, trust, yes, this is your person trying to talk to you. Also, you will have some important guidance about this relationship in very, very soon, because 7-11 is important. What else our viewers need to keep in mind? And this is a very spiritual connection. This is not just, look at that, the hanged man. Yes, things are stuck because there is, you need to, things are stuck because there is a divine plan happening here. Something needs to happen before things can move. Accelerated motion in reverse. I think the reason is your person right now is focused more on the spiritual side, on the emotional side of love between you and them. You are right now focusing more on your career, on yourself, your future. So your roles have kind of switched. Earlier, your partner was very career oriented, not emotional. Now you are very career oriented, while they are very emotional and romantic. So that is the reason. So you have to balance this energy, this discord between you and them. And yes, intuition again. See, you're very, if you feel this person is thinking about you, they are watching your social media through some common friends or through some spam account. Yes, yes, yes. If your intuition is telling you something, it's time to move on. Yes, you are right, follow it. The waiting game again, this person is like well, clarify the waiting game. They are keeping you waiting. Yes, your wait will be rewarded with celebrations, with something beautiful. So don't feel, like this is all just a waiting game. This has lost all hope. No, it's not like that. Spiritual things are moving spiritually, things are moving behind the scenes for you. So, what is the advice for you in this connection? Any advice? A time to give rather than take, new moon in Virgo. So yeah, focus on giving, rather than taking. Focus on what you have, got from this relationship, rather than, what is wrong with this and what is not working. So try to have a positive attitude, try to have a more positive attitude. And confidence is your key to success. Yes, be bold, be confident. If you keep saying like this will not happen, they will not come back, they will not. But if you believe that yes, they will come back and I will focus on myself and this person is going to come back, they will. In fact, they are definitely going to message you very soon. It's time to release negativity. Exactly what I was telling you. If you continue to be negative, that's what will happen. So listen to your intuition. The end of a tough cycle. Yes, the challenges will be definitely ending soon and you will reunite as friends or as lovers once again. So they will message you soon, that's for sure. Let us see what else. Romance Angels message for our viewers. Okay, can we have one, please? And then we'll see the love scrolls. Okay, thank you. Ooh, this person is your soulmate. Yes, 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 this is your soulmate. Anything else? Let your friends help you. Ask for and support for others from others. So yeah, it is, you should be, if possible, try to be friends with this person if you can. If not, don't try to just cut away from all relationships or all kind of friendships. Try to stay in touch, be friends, enjoy, hang out with your friends. Don't be too hard on yourself and keep an open mind. For some of you, yes, it is time for you to move on, or if you have already moved on, it is okay, because your soulmate may actually differ from your usual type and expectations. For others, this give them some space. I think this person has been behaving in the wrong ways, but they actually like you and they have deep feelings for you. So keep an open mind, keep an open mind. They can surprise you. Let us see some love messages from your person. All right, let's see. Please stay with me forever. Okay. That's interesting. Red hot, love alert. Yeah, they have a lot of sexual chemistry with you. Love and best friends. That's what exactly they want, to be your best friend and to be a lover, soulmate. Yeah, they know, they have recognized that they are the soulmate. Phone call. This person is going to call you very, very soon, friends. And a new start is coming. Wonderful, huh? traveling, house, home issues. So yeah, this person could be stuck because of traveling or because of home and family issues or some work career issues. Text me, I miss you. Yeah, this person is like, please can you text me? I don't feel, I'm a bit lazy, so it would be easier if you text me, saves me a lot of guilt. Secret admirer is coming. So yeah, for some of you, I do feel a friend likes you. Your friend, someone you have friend zoned, likes you. They will be telling, disclosing or proposing you soon. Within the next 6 months, there is this connection will be changing, moving forward, progressing. I miss you all day. So definitely that's exactly the first thing we saw. Eight of Cups, missing you. I can't forget you. You are in my mind. You are my song. So yeah, I told you, they keep hearing that songs you have, the songs you had, the moments you shared. It's like a circle. They keep thinking about it again and again, like a loop. So that's it for now, friends. Do subscribe Magic Wens Tarot, like and share. Do let me know if you enjoyed this reading, if it resonated with you. And to buy a personal reading, visit our website. This is Mystic C. Join us on Instagram. It's Magic Wens Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye bye for now.